Have you ever imagined how Egyptian kings and queens would look like today? Dutch photographer Bas Uterwijk converts the old carvings and engravings into photographs by using artificial intelligence.
Queen T, 1398–1338 BC, T was the daughter of Ea. She became the great royal wife of the Egyptian pharaoh Amenhotep III. She was the mother of Akhenaten and grandmother of Tutankhamun. In 2010, DNA analysis confirmed her as a mummy known as the Elder Lady found in the tomb of Amenhotep II in 1898.
King Akhenaten, also spelled Eknaton, Akhenaten, Iknaton, and Queenaten, was an ancient Egyptian pharaoh reigning circa 1353 to 1336 or 1351 to 1334 BC, the 10th ruler of the 18th dynasty. Before the 5th year of his reign, he was known as Amenhotep IV. Queen Nefertiti. Neferuaten Nefertiti was a queen of the 18th dynasty of ancient Egypt, the great royal wife of Pharaoh Akhenaten. Nefertiti and her husband were known for a religious revolution, in which they worshipped one god only, Aten, or the sun disk. King Tutankhamun ruled 1334 to 1325 BC. Tutankhamun, Egyptological pronunciation Tutankhamun, commonly referred to as King Tut, was an ancient Egyptian pharaoh who was the last of his royal family to rule during the end of the 18th dynasty during the New Kingdom of Egyptian history.
Subscribe Janaan. Thanks for watching.